Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I just woke up and I just thought of filming this particular video for you all, which is going to be a very helpful video because today I have one very exciting product to show you all, which is great for beginners. It's not only great for beginners, it is great to travel with. It is a best thing that you can keep on your makeup kit, and I know you want to know about that particular product, so let's get into this video. So this video is sponsored by Auric Beauty and I'm so happy to work with them in this video. I have used their product so much in the past. I worked with them in the past as well. Other brands I look up to, they actually work on their product. They actually think about the product. They personally mentioned me this to check out the product properly and give a proper feedback about the product so that they can do any kind of changes or not. So this is what I actually look for a brand, and yeah, I'm so happy to work with them in this video. First, I am going to show you guys what is the product. The product that I am talking about, this one is the Auric Contouring Defining Kit, and this is what it looks like. You get a cover. This is the outer packaging, by the way. They have mentioned every single thing right over here, the price and how you have to use this product, what the product contains, all the ingredients in each category, and they have mentioned each and everything right over here, which I really love. This is the outer packaging and this is what the product actually looks like. If you throw out this outer packaging, you will have this side as well to know about the product, to know about the ingredients and stuff like that. So I'm just going to open it to you guys and show it to you what the product actually looks, and this is what the product actually looks. Isn't it the most helpful product you will ever see? So this is their contour and defining kit, where you have one contour shade, one powder matte, one powder shade, one blush shade and one shimmer shade. And look at the pan size first. This is not a small pan or something like that. They are not selling a kit where they have 3 small pan. It's huge. The pan size is huge. This is what it looks like, and here you have the shimmer shade, here you have the powder shade to set your concealer, to set your face, and then they have this contour shade right over here and the blush shade. Just look at the pan size. I am so in love with this particular kit. I'm actually trying this out for quite a few days now. Also, I made a reel doing Kareena Kapoor look using this particular kit, and it turned out so good. Also, a very exciting thing coming up soon with this brand, so stay tuned. Make sure to follow them and make sure to follow me on Instagram so that you guys know. And yeah, I'm going to talk about this product today and I'm going to use it. I'm going to show you guys how you have to use this product, why you actually need this product. I think you already know why you actually need this product. It costs for rupees 1599, by the way, but I think if you purchase a single blush or a single contour kit or a single powder, it will take you much more than 1599. So I think this is a great investment as a beginner. You have an entire kit, and if you have a small space where you do not know and you don't want to keep too much makeup products, you can easily carry this one. You can easily keep this one. Also, if you are traveling out somewhere and you don't want to take a lot of product, only few products, this is a kit for you. This is so travel friendly as well. First, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do my makeup, and after that I'm gonna show you guys the demo of this product. So for my foundation, first I'm gonna use the Auric Cover Matte Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundation. This was my first collaboration with them, where they sent me their foundation and their other products as well, and from that time I am in love with this foundation. I've used this particular product so many times, and the fact that this is a perfect match for my skin, and the foundation shade range, their contour kit, especially the kit that I am going to use today. I'm just going to show you guys. Just look at the blush, the contour and the highlighting shade. This is a perfect product for Indian skin. It is a perfect thing for every day. The contour shade, it's not too dark or something like that. It is perfect for your everyday, especially the blush, the highlighter as well, and the powder as well. The powder, obviously, it is something for your everyday. But rather than that, just the blush, the contour kit and the highlighter, they are actually for everyday use. Like if you are going for your college or your office but you want to use a little bit of contouring, you want to do a little bit of contouring, you want to use a little bit of bronzer, I think this is a perfect product for you, because like this is so, the color is like so light, the color is so natural. So that's the thing I really love about it. They have not kept it very like full face of makeup or something like that. They have thought about everyone and everyday use, because I as a makeup artist can use a very harsh contouring and a very beautiful harsh coralish pinkish blush, but as a everyday I am not going to use that product anymore. But this product I am going to use it on everyday basis. So that's the thing about this product I really love. I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. I'm using the L'Oreal. This is their full wear concealer. Okay, so this is what my face look. I am not going to use anything else because I'm going to use this contour defining kit, and I am first going to use the powder right over here, which looks something like this. It's a very lightweight powder. I'm saying this because I have used it before and this is not the first time that I'm using it. So I'm just going to take my powder brush and I am going to take this powder and use it all over my under eyes. Just look at the difference. The powder is like so lightweight, it is so perfect for your everyday. I am not a big fan of compact powder because I somewhere feel like it's a little bit heavier for me, but this is so good. It's like so lightweight. I always go for loose powders, but this pressed powder is so good. It's matte obviously, and it is matte because it is going to save your concealer from creasing the entire day. And also if you have dry under eyes, this is not going to make it look very much dry because of the fact that this is very lightweight. And yeah, I just love using it on areas where I get oily and where I have, like, I know that my foundation or my concealer is going to crease. A lot of this powder, still your face is not going to look cakey because this is made for your everyday kit. So it is not going to give you that cakey, heavy, powdery kind of a feeling. And so lightweight, and it is giving me such a beautiful finish as well. Now I'm going to use the Earthy Contour. It's named as Earthy Contour and this one is named as Powder Matte, and they have kept the name so that beginners can also understand which one to use first and which one to use afterwards and what is the name and everything. This one I'm taking an angled brush like this. You can use a fluffy angled brush or you can use fluffy tapered kind of a blush, but I am a big fan of angled brush when it comes to contouring and stuff. But when I bronze my skin, I use a fluffy tapered brush. So I'm gonna use this angled brush. I'm showing it to you so that you guys can understand how to use this particular product on your daily life. So I'm just gonna take the contour. Look at the shade. It is so soft. It is nothing harsh, or it does not look very dark or something like that. It is such a beautiful, like, natural kind of a contour side, and I am going to start contouring this area right over here. Like, obviously there are so many other techniques. I have a round face, so I like to contour like this. If you have a like very long kind of a face, contour this area right over here, like make it round and then contour. It will make your face look fuller, and there are so many other different techniques as well, but this is what I like to do to maintain my natural cheekbone kind of area. And sometimes I like to do this so that it gets more defined. Press the product, just look at the product. It is so natural. It is not giving me, I am a person, I don't contour like I hate contouring. Whenever I'm even filming a glam makeup tutorial, I just hate contouring. But this is a contour that I think I'm gonna use all the time, because just look at this, it is like not their kind of a contour shade. And also I try to bring it just a little bit underneath so that I can define my jawline. And yeah, this is how I like to contour. Same goes to this area as well. I just use a light tapping motion and take it upwards, not too much downward, and then I just blend it in circular motion, and I use a very light hand as well. And also this does not look ashy or muddy. Like no matter how many times I use this particular product, it does not look ashy or it does not look too warm as well. Like there are people who love a warm tone contour, but there are people who complain about that there is not much cool tone bronzer or contouring shade in the market. But this is something in the middle. It's a very beautiful neutral kind of a shade. It's not too warm, not cool. And yeah, just gonna contour my forehead as well. And when it comes to my forehead, I like to keep it more upward. I do not bring it down, and I just push it upward and do it in circular motion. This is what my face looks. Super natural, super beautiful. Like see, I have tried to build this color up, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys how I like to do it. So I just take the color right over here with a fluffy brush like this. I dust off the excess. Do keep this in mind whenever you are doing nose contouring and stuff. Dust off the excess, and I just slightly love to. This is like a perfect brush and a perfect contouring color for your nose. Just look at the difference. It just took me 10 seconds. Color is not this much blendable if the color is not too light, or if the color is not natural, it is harsh and it is hard to blend, then you will face problem doing your nose contour. There are so many people, they always complain I cannot do nose contouring, but you can do if you use a proper product. So this is a product which is easily blendable, easily blendable. It blends like butter. This is a brush that you can use your contouring with a softer color like this, and then see the difference. Also, I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to use this product as my eyeshadow. You really need this palette. Just look at that. It's a perfect eyeshadow transition everyday color right there. This blush a little bit as well, just to bring a little bit of color. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful makeup look I have created. Such a pretty fresh eye makeup look. Here's the trick. If you are going for your occasion, what kind of eye makeup look you should do, and you don't have eyeshadow palette, I don't know what to do. If you have this particular product, use the bronzer shade first as your transition color. Mix this blush shade as I did. Like mix it together, it will create a beautiful nude, brown, pinkish tone transition color. Take a flat brush like this. Take the highlighter shade right over here, and then use it over here. You have a perfect eyeshadow look right there. Like, what? Now I am going to use the blush. I am going to use the blush shade right over here. I like to use it with a fluffy tapered kind of a brush, just so it looks very natural. So I am just going to take the color, obviously dust off the excess, and very light hand. Don't use too much pressure, don't rub your skin. Very light hand, just do a tapping motion and take it upward, just like this. Smile if you want to, or you don't have to. You can do circular motion as well. I'm using such a light hand, guys. just look at this blush shade. Isn't it the perfect color for Indian skin? And obviously you can make it too pigmented if you are a blush person, you love using blush. I think this is a perfect blush shade for winters, for summers. Anytime you can use this color. It's such a beautiful, like deep rose kind of a shade. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is what my makeup looks like. Now the last thing that I'm gonna use is the highlighter. I use a tapered brush like this. I'm not a big fan of a fan brush or something like that. So I'm gonna take the highlighter. It's not something very glittery or shimmery or something like that. It's a perfect highlighter. It's like it melts into your skin so beautifully, and you can just build it up. You can make it too intense, or you can just use it very, very lightly. I'm just doing something in the middle, and this is what the highlighter looks like. It's so pretty. It gives such a beautiful, natural, healthy looking skin, subtle kind of a glow. It is absolutely not something very glittery, or it just does not contain glitter particles in it, which I hate in a like highlighter. And yeah, this is what my makeup looks using this contour and defining kit. And oh my god, I am absolutely in love. And now I think you also know why you actually need this kit. This is like such a helpful kit. You have every single thing in this kit right over here. You have your eyeshadow, you have your powder, bronzer. Such a beautiful, helpful kit right over here, which is actually made for beginners and made for you every day. Hope you guys really find this video helpful. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.